If you're after a wireless charger that looks stylish on your desk, then this could very well fit the bill. The 12 South HiRise Wireless. Too many wireless chargers are simple flat plates that would add nothing to the decor of your office. This one's different. If a phone charger can be made to look good, then the HiRise Wireless is it. With the typical 12 South premium feeling package is a general user guide along with a couple of stickers, the fully constructed HiRise Wireless charging stand itself, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And on inspection, it certainly does ooze quality. The base of the HiRise Wireless is hefty. Weighing in at £1, it provides a firm stand to hold your smartphone without toppling over. Metal in construction, we find a glossy finish around the curved edges and a leather pad on top. That leather pad gives your phone a soft place to rest when nestled into charge. Towards the front is a small bump that prevents the phone from sliding forward, and around the back is a ridge for the cable to align with nice and neatly. On top, propped up, is a wireless charging pad. Constructed of plastic rather than the high quality metal used for the main stand, the back stand leans at a 105-degree angle, which is just about right, especially on a desk so that the user can see notifications as they come in, and Face ID has an easier time scanning your face than if laid flat. Although you do need to be careful that the phone is really resting flat against the back stand, otherwise it just won't charge. As useful and good looking as this accessory is, it does have a significant limitation. HiRise Wireless can only charge handsets in portrait mode. If an iPhone or other device is in landscape mode and set against the stand, the charging coils won't line up. Something to bear in mind, but certainly not a deal breaker for most. There's a USB Type-C port on one end of the central charging disc for the included cable to attach to, and although 12 South provide a USB-C to USB-A cable in the box, a wall adapter is not included, so you'll need to provide your own. The unit also has a hidden trick up its sleeve too, the ability to remove the charging pad from the top to be used as a portable charger or as a flat charging pad. The idea is that if you need to charge something like AirPods that won't work in the vertical stand, the charging pad can be set down on the table or desk and used that way. It's nice and easy to replace back into the stand too. Delivering up to 10 watts of wireless charging power, this is obviously a premium product at the upper end of the market, which shows in its price point. Although it's limited to charging in portrait mode when used as a stand, the HiRise Wireless is both beautiful and professional looking. That's a lot to say for something that just sits on a desk, but 12 South have pulled it off here. Of course, there are many other cheaper wireless solutions out there, but if you're after something that looks seriously stylish at the same time and the premium price tag doesn't faze you, then the 12 South HiRise Wireless charging stand comes well recommended.